Click on the link below to get price. The Alorair 2X Wi-Fi Commercial Dehumidifier, paired with 8X air movers, presents an impressive solution for moisture control in various environments, particularly in restoration and construction scenarios. The dehumidifiers are equipped with advanced Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing users to monitor and control settings remotely through a dedicated app. This feature is especially beneficial for professionals managing multiple sites, as it enhances efficiency and reduces the need for frequent on-site visits. The dehumidifiers have an exceptional extraction capacity of up to 180 pints per day, making them suitable for large spaces, including basements, warehouses, or areas affected by water damage. The ability to adjust humidity levels ensures that the environment remains optimal, preventing mold growth and structural damage. The design is robust and durable, meant to withstand rigorous use, which is ideal for contractors and restoration teams. The accompanying air movers complement the dehumidifiers well. With 8 units included, they provide sufficient airflow to expedite the drying process. Each air mover is lightweight yet powerful, featuring adjustable speeds and angles, allowing for versatile placement. Their compact size makes them easy to transport, and they can be stacked for convenient storage. In terms of energy efficiency, both the dehumidifiers and air movers perform admirably, reducing operational costs without compromising performance. The noise level is relatively low, ensuring that they can be used in residential settings without causing significant disruption. One minor drawback is the initial setup. Some users may find the Wi-Fi configuration slightly tricky, but once connected, the app is user-friendly and intuitive. Overall, the Alorair 2X Wi-Fi Commercial Dehumidifier and 8X Air Movers package offers a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for anyone in need of reliable moisture control. Its combination of advanced technology, high capacity, and portability makes it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and homeowners alike.